To record, you push the button on the side.
What button on the side?
Like where your thumb is.
My thumb is here.
What the? You meant to hold it like this. No. Like that. And then where your thumb is, you push that and it starts recording.
Oh, it's already recording.
Oh, is it actually?
Yeah.
You sure? When did it start recording?
30 seconds ago.
Oh.
How do you zoom?
There's that toggle thingy on the top.
Yeah.
And you put it one side, it goes in, the other side goes out.
Oh, it says my camera panning too fast. Ah!
Do you remember me? Will you remember, do you remember me?
What?
I think that was it.
Let me just count the cash in the wheel. Time to do some surgery. Turn around.
Uh-oh.
Mission success. Let's go home. We got no diff in there. It's currently getting bushings pressed in. So I've just been slowly working on this. Put some extractors in, took out the AC compressor, and then also deleted the heater core, so it's been bypassed. You know, I've got a hose there that I've used just to loop it back into the system. 3:1 ratio. Solid diff bushings, poly trailing arm bushings. I'm gonna try and put that back in this. The Blair Witch Volvo project. Beautiful, sounds good. Alright, see you guys. It's only in by the shock, bottom of the shock. I'm trying to put these bushings in, but there's kind of like extra plating back there which sticks out a bit, and these poly bushes are quite a bit wider than the stock bushes. I don't know why. So what I'm doing here is I'm filing down this kind of top edge of the bush, and I got in the other side because I filed it down, and I just like kind of hammered it in and like got a bolt in, but this side is taking its sweet ass time. My arm hurts. Now you gotta hammer it from the back there to push it forward. There we go. Hey, teamwork. Could be that the thread's completely destroyed. No, we're good. The diff is pretty much in. I've got the tail shaft bolted up, all the bolts done up tight. Okay, well it's at full droop right now, so it kind of looks wonky, hey. I put in this panhard bar made by DVS Performance Parts. They're based in Melbourne, Victoria. I've got the spherical bushings. Everything's bolted up. I just got to chuck in sway bar, do all the brakes, and yeah, get the wheels back on, and we should be good to go. I am very excited. Wait, come on mate, yeah, 391 baby. 391 baby. It'll make a big difference. I'm going from a 331 to a 391. Hell yeah. Brakes are back on. Handbrakes are a bitch as usual. Yeah, man, I'm really excited to feel the difference in gear ratio and having a Spartan locker in there. So it's a mechanical locker. Basically, when you're on the throttle, it just spins both wheels like 100%. When you're off the throttle, it kind of like ratchets around and makes weird noises. Seats back in, steering wheel's back in. It's not finished, but just want it in for now. How's this for perfect engineering, mate? There we go. Let's zoom in on the gut. Oh, nice. Fuck. Let's go. Wow. Handbrake on.